In this video, let's talk about how to use the Coinbase stock trading feature. Now, in order to start trading stocks within Coinbase, you need to first of all open up a Coinbase Capital Market brokerage account, which you'd be able to do within the Coinbase application. So all you want to do is first of all complete the onboarding process, which you should be able to find within the application, which says Introduction to Stocks. You should be able to find it within the home page. If it is not available on the home page, simply head over to the menu on the top left. You need to confirm your personal identification number by entering in your legal name, your address, as well as your social security number. Once everything is done, you need to simply fund your brokerage account using your linked bank account. And once you have done that, you'll be able to buy stocks from the trade section, and all of the stocks that you purchase would be visible within my assets. So you'll have different buying options such as market order or limit order on the stock or even ETF that you're trying to purchase, for example Apple or even S&P 500. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.